Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and wishing you a very happy new year 2025. Today I'll discuss one of the most asked interview question if you are preparing for SQL, how to handle divided by zero error in SQL. We have multiple methods to deal with this error, but today we will see two most important approach one by one, right? Before we start, please hit the like, share and subscribe button to get the regular update from Data Genius. The approach one is using case when statement. Okay, using case when statement. So let's understand the table basically. Okay, so we have one table that is sales table and with column like ID, product name, total sales and unit sold, right? Total sales is nothing but the total sales made by that particular product, and the unit sold is nothing but the to how many product sold, right? So if we look at this example here, the output, the product name is book, right? Total sales is 1800 and unit sold is 18. That means price of one book is nothing but 1800 divided by 18, that is 100. Similarly for pen, price of one pen is nothing but 500 divided by 10, that is 50. But if we look at this notebook, so total sale is 1000, right? Unit sold is 0, so the output should be 0, right? But we cannot divide directly like 1000 divided by 0, it will give like 0 problem error. So here for example we cannot divide it like this, it will give divided by 0 error. See, divided by 0 error, divide by 0 error, right? So we have to deal with this problem, we have to deal with this error. So let's start. I hope you have idea about case when statement. So before I start, I would like you to remind one of the important point, like case statement only returns value of the same data type, right? For example, if we use case statement for this particular column called unit sold, so this is type of integer, right? So we cannot return float, or we cannot return other data type other than any data type other than int. So let's start now. So case when unit sold equal to 0, then 0. What I am doing is I am just writing in the output, I need when unit sold is 0, then I want 0 only, right? 0. Else what I want to do, I have to divide like total sales divided by unit sold, right? Unit sold and as price of one product. Fine, let's run and see this is coming perfectly. Like for book is 1800 divided by 18 is coming 100, pen is 500 divided by 10 is coming 50, but notebook is coming 1000 divided by 0 is 0, because no unit sold, right? No unit sold, that means we cannot predict the price of one product, so 0 is fine, right? So here I have hard coded 0, you can use null as well, no problem at all. Okay, no problem at all. See, it's coming now, 0 is replaced by null. Fine. Now you have like you will have maybe in your mind like I want this null is replaced by divided by 0 error, like I want proper definition like divide by 0 error. Okay, divided by 0 error. Okay, I want this statement in the output. Okay, so how we can do is we have to, as I like discussed few minutes back, we cannot mix up the data type. Okay, like if I run this one, this will give error. See, conversion failed when converting the varchar value divided by 0 to data type int, because this particular line like divide, this will give the integer data type, right? And this is string, this is varchar. So we cannot divide. So how to deal with this problem? Okay. So what we have to do here is we have to create two separate column. One for divide by zero error. In that column we will hard code that to varchar, and one will be for this particular. So let's start. Okay, let's see. See, case when unit sold is 0, then I want 0. That is fine. Else, what I want is total sales divided by unit sold. Fine. Now, end as product price, right? I want case when, case when, I'll copy this one. Unit sold equal to 0. Then I want divide by 0 error. Okay. Else I want null. Else I want null. End as I would like you 0 error, I'll say. Okay, 0 error. Okay, let's run now. Let's run. See, here this 0 is coming perfectly, like, because this 0 is type of integer here, and if you want divide by 0, then we have to give other row we have to replace by null. That is what we have done here, done in this particular line, right? I hope this helps you. Now we will move to the second approach. Okay, second approach, that is that is null if. Okay, null if. I hope you have idea. So let's start. Select a star from the table name. Okay, table name. Let's run. Fine. So how we can do is, we want one separate column. Okay, we want one separate column. So what we want here is, we want price of one product, right? So how this will come, like total sales divided by unit sold. So total sales divided by unit sold, right? This will give, but particular this problem, the product name is notebook, this will give us error. So error in denominator will fetch an problem, because we cannot divide any number by 0. So we have to deal with, we have to work on denominator. So how we can do is, null if, we have one function null if comma 0. I'll explain this in a bit. First run this one. See, the problem is short. Okay, as price of one product. As is nothing but this is giving the alias, right? Kind of nickname, kind of name. So 100 by 0 is, so 1000 by 0 is null. Okay. So why null is coming here? Why other nothing is, why like other than null is not coming? Because in a null if function, null if function, this function returns null if both of the argument are equal. Okay, like in this case unit sold here is for first, if you see at the book, okay, what is the unit sold is, unit sold is 18. Okay, so 18 is not null, so 18 comma 0, this will not give null, right? For second is 10, so also not null. For but third, that is notebook, unit sold is 0, so 0 comma 0, both the argument is same. Okay, both the argument are same, so this will return null. Okay, so this will replace total with null, and if we divide anything by null, the output gives null. I hope this is clear. Okay, so that's the reason 1000 divided by 0 is giving us null. Okay, and divide by null gives null, because this will replace null, right? I hope this helps you. If you still have any doubt, feel free to comment your doubt in the comment section. I'll definitely reach to you. Fine. So thank you for watching. We will meet soon. Happy New Year and bye bye.